Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking through a quick video tour of our Jaguar X-Type. So this is our 2009 Jaguar X-Type Estate. It's only covered just over 87,000 miles from new. Has got 2 previous keepers, with the last owning it since 2012. It's got excellent service history, with 11 stamps in the book and plenty of invoices and receipts of what's been done over the years. Whilst in our care, we've done disc and pads all round, giving it fresh MOT and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. You've also got 4 matching Goodyear tyres on here, and overall the car is in very, very good condition for the age and mileage. Couple little marks here and there on the bodywork and on the interior, but I think you've got to expect that. It's a slightly older car, but it really, really does look nice. Inside, you've got this lovely cream leather interior, electrically adjustable in the front, heated as well. Satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, steering wheel controls, cruise control. And it's all in really nice condition in here. A little bit of wear on the driver's seat. But yeah, it's a lovely, lovely looking motor. Power fold mirrors as well. Good bit of legroom in the back. Very, very comfortable seats as well. And you've also got the added benefit of a lovely, big, practical boot. Really, really nice car, this. Clearly been very well looked after by its 2 previous owners. Regularly serviced. And it's just a stunning looking car. I really, really like this Jaguar X-Type Estate. Very, very tidy motor. As always, if you like these sort of cars, why not check out our website? You can see all of our stock. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.